lock technology hasn't improved in almost 100 years. Who doesn't have a lock that's completely useless because of a forgotten combination or lost key? At best, we waste time searching for the right key or fumbling through the combination. At Fuse Designs, we thought it was time for the Padlock to enter the 21st century. So, we created the Noke. By using your smartphone and the Noke, you can effortlessly protect your belongings and go. Whether you're protecting your bike, your locker, or anything else, all you need is your smartphone and your Noke, and you're good to go. The Noke uses wireless Bluetooth technology. When clicked, it automatically looks for a phone with a compatible key and unlocks. You don't even need to remove your phone from your pocket or purse. The Noke allows you to easily share your belongings safely and securely while maintaining total control. With the Noke, sharing keys has never been easier or safer. With the Noke app, you can quickly give access without the hassle or risk of giving up your key. Our iOS and Android apps allow sharing to be done on a one-time basis, multi-use basis, or any other customized schedule you need. Giving access to your pool is just a click away. Giving access to your storage unit is just a click away. At Fuse, product design is our passion. Form and function complement each other in an attractive and simple design. We made the Noke with a water-resistant shell, devoid of any external buttons and built with a user-replaceable battery that lasts over a year. When it's time to replace the battery, simply unlock the Noke and replace it. No tools required. What if your phone dies or is not with you? We thought of that too. By incorporating our quick click technology, you can create your own access code to use when your smartphone is unavailable, making sure you'll never be left stranded again. The peace of mind, along with the convenience you'll gain by incorporating the Noke into your life, makes it a great investment for you and a great gift for friends and family. No key? No problem. Fuse Designs.
Open Sesame. Sesame is what's called a smart lock, which means you can unlock it using your phone as the key. I've tried other smart locks. They're way too big. Their apps are confusing. They take too long to connect. And they're a hassle to install. And I'm pretty handy. But Sesame's different. You can install it in seconds, literally. No unscrewing, no replacing. Sesame has a patented design that fits any latch anywhere in the world. The app is handsome and intuitive. But you can open your door without it, like this. Or like this. Sesame senses when my phone is nearby and gets ready for my special knock. And I can get the optional Wi-Fi access point. It plugs into the wall nearby, so Sesame is always on my home network, and it's linked to the access point with Bluetooth, which keeps it connected while going easy on the batteries. And with no keys, it's easy to let other people in too. I can choose who has access and who doesn't. I get notifications when my lock opens and closes, so I can always know what's going on, no matter where I am. And it's got military-grade encryption. No one's hacking this thing. Open Sesame. Ta-da!
Introducing Tapplock, the world's first smart fingerprint padlock. Using a cutting-edge encrypted fingerprint sensor, it grants access with just a tap in 0.8 seconds.
I'm Michelle Romano from Dragon's Den, and the minute I saw Tapplock in the den, I knew I needed to invest. The product is simple, that opens either with your fingerprint, with your phone using Bluetooth, and the best part is I can give remote access to anyone. so when I'm in Toronto, I can give access to someone in Chicago.
Up to 100 fingerprints can be stored. The time, location, and duration of access can even be customized. Tapplock, the world's smartest padlock.
"10 hours until the guests arrive. And still lots to do. Clean the house, get the dinner, and make sure Louie gets another walk. Mary's not too worried because she has August. It lets her into her home automatically, just like magic. August helps her get everything done for the party, even with the family gone for the day. With August Smart Lock, Mary and Thomas can control access to their home and send virtual keys to guests from anywhere using their smartphones. When the cleaning lady comes to straighten things up, she's got her virtual key to use. And hopefully, some extra cleaning supplies. Dinner's here from Hank, their favorite barbecue guy, and Mary can use August's doorbell cam to ask him to put the food in the usual spot.
Hank's Barbecue, ready for delivery.
Can I just buzz you in and you can leave the food in the fridge?
Oh, sure, no problem.
Thank you.
Hey, buddy.
Louie even gets his regular walk. Thomas just gives the dog walker a virtual key for that time every day. That's right, boy. Right on schedule. When Emily stops by early to drop things off, she can head right in when Mary buzzes her.
Hey, Mary, it's Emily. I'm actually at your house. I was in the neighborhood and I just had the things that you need.
Yeah. Just go right in. I'll buzz you in.
When Maya gets home from school, she can let herself in with August's smart keypad. No more lost or forgotten keys. And best of all, Mom gets an instant notification so she knows Maya is home safe. Thanks to August, the house is finally clean. Everything's delivered, and Louie got his walk. All they need now are the guests. Welcome to a home that's more simple and secure. Welcome to an August home.